Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear a nickname on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app and go to your chats. Select the conversation where you want to remove the nickname. Tap on the username of the person you are chatting with. In the settings menu, find the nicknames option and tap on it. You will see the nickname you previously set. Tap the arrow next to it, delete the nickname, and tap Done to save the changes. There is also another way to do this. Go back to the chat and find the notification about the nickname you set. Tap Update next to it. Repeat the steps by deleting the nickname and tapping Done to save. Once removed, the nickname will no longer appear in the chat. A notification will be sent to all chat participants, informing them that the nickname has been cleared. So that's basically how you can clear a nickname on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.